have a lot of customers from inside states.
One step forward and another back. I would never try to fool you. I'm one heartbeat away from going mad.
Guys, let me give you a quick room tour. So here's the super comfy bed. Though the room is a bit small, but honestly it's just perfect for a short stay. Hey guys, it's day 2 in Shillong and I just got ready to go grab some lunch and explore around Police Bazaar. Let's see what we find today.
High pride written down.
So while exploring Police Bazaar, we discovered a beautiful restaurant called Trattoria. It's a Khasi restaurant in Shillong. Also, we got the chance to meet the owner, such a warm and welcoming person.
This is this restaurant where we are serving only the local cuisine, the Khasi cuisine here. And then we have established here for the last 48 years.
If you're ever in Shillong, do check it out. It's totally worth it. So right now I'm here at this beautiful place named Ward's Lake, located in Shillong. So yeah, it's really beautiful here. I'm enjoying. Let me show you around, guys. Located near Shillong, Sweet Falls is one of the steepest and most dramatic waterfalls in Meghalaya, dropping from a height of around 315 feet, also known for its slippery paths and mysterious stories. Elephant Falls is one of the most popular waterfalls in Shillong, Meghalaya, named by the British after a rock that looked like an elephant, which sadly broke during an earthquake. The falls flow in 3 beautiful steps surrounded by lush greenery.